Hello everyone, welcome to Teacher Khiju channel. Let's learn English idiom together. Today this video is about some common English idioms and their meanings. So, number 1 is beat around the bush. The phrase beating around the bush means to avoid answering a question, to stall, to waste time. Example of using this idiom is if you want to ask me, just ask, don't beat around the bush. Cut to the chase. When you use the expression cut to the chase, you mean to get to the point and leave out unnecessary details. Example of using this idiom is let me cut to the chase. Jennifer thinks you are mad at her. Give someone the cold shoulder. An unfriendly attitude shown to someone or something, especially by intentionally ignoring or showing no trust in them. Give someone something the cold shoulder. Example of using this idiom: his wife was angry and giving him the cold shoulder. Next, in a nutshell. In the fewest possible words. Use few words. It means use few words as possible. It was a summer romance. The expression in a nutshell can be used in the beginning, middle or end of the sentence. Another way to say this would be to make a long story short. Okay, next one is let sleeping dog lie. Do you like dogs? I like them too. Okay. It means that one should avoid interfering in a situation that is currently calm or stable, especially if bringing it up could stir up trouble or create conflict. Example of using this idiom is like, it's best to keep your opinion to yourself around him. Just let sleeping dogs lie. And the next one is on the same page. It means to be thinking in a similar fashion, to have the same amount of knowledge or to have the same kind of understanding about a situation as others do. Example of using this idiom is like, before we make any decision today, I would like to make sure that everyone is on the same page. And the next one is practice what you preach. It means to behave the way you tell other people to behave. Example of using this idiom: other countries need to see that we practice what we preach when it comes to human rights. And the next is very common: rain on someone parade. This is an informal idiom that means to spoil someone's plan or pleasure, especially if it's an important plan. Example of use is like, I don't mean to rain on your parade, but I have some bad news. Take it with a grain of salt. This idiom means to be skeptical of information and not to believe it completely. Example of using this idiom is like, I take anything he says with a large pinch of salt. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.